Welcome to SST class. We will continue with the chapter Earth or Planet. I will request you to take out page number 108. Alright, in your book. And now let us read these 2 pages with me. So, take out your book, children, and start reading with me. Satellites. Satellites are objects that revolve around the planets. They can be natural or man-made. Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Many planets have more than one satellite. They too do not have heat or light of their own. They reflect the light of the star they get light from. Man-made or artificial satellites are set in the space to forecast weather and other atmospheric conditions. Earth, a unique planet. Earth is the only planet with life as it has air and water. It is at a proper distance from the sun. It is covered with a layer of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water and dust particles. Life is possible on Earth due to these factors. Presence of air. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air known as atmosphere. It protects the Earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It provides us with the oxygen to breathe. Next is presence of water. Water is present on the Earth in the form of oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. 17% of the Earth is covered with water. When viewed from the space, it looks blue. Hence, it is called blue planet. Distance from the sun. Earth is at the right distance from the sun. If it was closer to the sun, it would have been too hot on the Earth. If the Earth was far away from the sun, it would have been too cold on the Earth. In both the conditions, life wouldn't have been possible on the Earth. Shape of the Earth. In ancient time, people believed that Earth was flat and had edges. They thought that if people traveled too far, they would fall off the edges of the Earth. After many years, a Portuguese sailor called Ferdinand Magellan set sail from Spain and kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years, he reached the same place from where he had started. This proves that Earth was not flat but round like a sphere. Many years later, pictures taken from the space also prove that Earth is round. It is slightly flat at the top and the bottom and bulging at the center. So I hope children you have read the pages along with me. Now we will come to the explanation. As you can see, you all have made the project of solar system. I hope you all have understood the solar system properly by making it a rough solar system I have drawn here up to the planet Earth. Alright, as you can see, it is the 3rd planet from the sun. Today we are going to study about satellites. Satellites are the heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. Alright, so the moon is the only satellite of Earth. It revolves around the Earth. Alright, all the satellites, they revolve around the planets. But Earth has only one satellite, that is one natural satellite, that is moon. But other planets have many. We will come to that also. Second is, satellites are natural and man-made. Natural satellites are the heavenly bodies, the heavenly satellites, which are naturally present in the universe. And man-made, which is made by the man, which we place in the space for some purpose. Alright, they do not have light of their own. Means natural satellites and artificial satellites, both, they don't have their light of own like stars. Stars have their light of own, but planets and satellites, they don't have. But still you can see they are shining. They are shining bright in the night sky. How? Because they receive the light from the sun and reflect back to the Earth. So we can see them shining and we think that they have their own light, but they don't have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. forecast weather and other atmospheric conditions. We purposely prepare it and we leave it in the space, far away in the space, and it keeps revolving around the earth for the accurate measurement of weather forecast and for the atmospheric conditions all around the earth. That is why we are able to know that tomorrow it's going to rain or tomorrow it's going to be sunny from these artificial satellites only. I will paste a picture of artificial satellite and man-made satellite. You just have a look after today. Now we come to the planet, our own planet Earth. Alright, as we know children, Earth is the only planet with life. In the entire universe we don't know, but in the solar system no other planet has life in it. We are still searching that whether they have or not, but we have life on Earth. Gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and dust particles are present on the Earth's surface. Yes?